rolling? Oh, okay. What are we going to see for what's happening with the Raiders right now, especially with some of the Mexican food that's coming up?
Okay, so we call it Latino Heritage. This is for the Hispanics. We have 28% of our fan base is Hispanic, so we have a few items here. One is called a birria torta. All the craze now is a birria taco, but we turned it into a torta. We got braised short rib with a little bit of onion, cilantro, and melted cheese. We have the consomme as well. So you get it, you dip it in the consomme, and you eat it. Amazing item. We also have what we call a surf and turf nachos. We have shrimp ceviche, carne asada, sour cream, a little bit of cheese, jalapenos, and this is right here.
It's fine dining right there. That's pretty good stuff.
A little bit in our concessions area too. Really nice. And then we have our panza via dog, ketchup, mayonnaise, mustard, bacon, beans, and a little bit of cheese as well.
That looks brutally good. Okay? No, Pancho Villa would like that. Pancho Villa would like that dog, I think.
I hope so. In the Raiders Stadium in a concession area, I think it'd be amazing.
Is this all in the regular concession area or in the VIP area?
No, regular concession area for everybody to try. We want to provide value and a good dime for everybody in the stadium, so this is kind of what we do.
What would be a perfect cocktail to mix with the nachos? Let's start with that. Would you?
Our number one seller is the margarita.
Oh yeah.
Silver and black margarita.
What's in that? If you can recall right now,
You'll talk to the chef. I did a good thing with the margarita chef. He'll tell you exactly what's in it.
We got a master mixologist, Tony Abugana mixes it's his special recipe. It's a signature item, the silver and black margarita. So I think he's here somewhere, so you'll have to ask him. I think I'd lose my job if I give out that recipe.
John,
we don't want that.
Do you have a favorite here amongst all the food?
Food, I would go with this surf and turf. I like nachos. It's a shared item. Everybody can have it. Like if I got the birria torta, I probably wouldn't share it. If I got the hot dog, I wouldn't share it. But this, I would probably share. So that'll probably be my favorite.
Nachos are made for sharing.
Absolutely. Absolutely. We have some items inside if you guys want to try. I'm not sure if anybody here trained as a sous-chef in Seattle, but
I don't know.
Absolutely.
Here. I don't know. Maybe Mike.
Maybe.
I think so. Hey, but hold on. Let me tell you this.
Mike is a sous chef.
Hey, shout out to the executive chef in Seattle. Totally forgot your name, but I'll share this with you guys. And hold on, let me tell you this real quick. So you got Browns fans and tourists that come to Las Vegas at Allegiant Stadium. Obviously, the Raiders fans. Can you tell us about these donuts and the fruits over here? That's really cool to represent Hispanic Heritage Month. Is that correct?
Absolutely. So Pink Buck Donuts created a special Viva Los Raiders donut. I'm not sure it's a filled donut, but it's a beautiful donut. Look at the colors and the design on it. Abuela's Tacos made a shrimp and crab ceviche, especially for this. Abuela's Tacos did a carne asada taco, as well as Vito's Tacos did a quesabirria taco, whereas we did a quesabirria sandwich.
So how much is this for a fan attending the game this Sunday?
You'll have to check with the vendor. They
Okay.
have special prices for these items.
I understand. These are really fantastic, simple street tacos, but they look good. Lastly, can you give us a score prediction for Sunday?
The Raiders are going to win. Absolutely.
I love it. I always got to do that to you, Chef Sean. But yeah, no, thank you very much.